The trees bent, the flowers closed, and the sun hid behind heavy clouds. The animals were afraid. The forest felt cold and quiet. But Hira whispered to the wind,
I believe the sun will shine again.
Each day she fluttered over the flowers, humming a sweet melody. She shared her warmth with others, even when the sky was gray. Then, one morning, a golden light broke through. The clouds danced away, and the flowers opened with joy. The forest smiled again, because little Hira never stopped believing.